Hi friends, let's get started without delay. In this video, I will show you how to change the page color in Google Docs. First, open your document in Google Docs. Then, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the menu, click on Page Setup. A small window will open on your screen. At the top, make sure Pages is selected, because page color works in Pages format. Now look for the page color option. After selecting your color, click OK. And that's it. Your page color will change right away. If you want to use the same page color for your future documents, you can click Set as Default before pressing OK. If you do not see page color, your document may be in pageless mode. In that case, go to File, then Page Setup, and switch from Pageless to Pages. Then you will be able to change the page color. That's how to change page color in Google Docs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful tech videos.